Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, we are going to cook green bananas. Starting us off, I'm going to oil my hands just to make sure the water from the bananas does not stain my hands. Yes. So I'll start by peeling off the bananas. There are so many ways of peeling off the bananas, but this is my favorite. I just like it. Most people don't like this style, but it works for me. So yeah, just peel the bananas nicely, making sure that the green parts are not there. Some people actually prefer boiling them first, then peeling them off afterwards. Just go with whatever works for you. So this one works for me best. Next, after I'm done peeling the bananas, I'll just cut them into small pieces. This one also depends with how you love them. I love mine medium sized, not too thin, not too big. Once I'm done with the bananas, I'm just going to prep the ingredients. I used 3 large potatoes, 2 medium-sized onions, and some carrots, which is very optional. I just love the taste of carrot in food. So you can leave carrots out or you can use them as well. But me, I love carrots, so I must put carrot in food. I just love carrots, so yes. Once I'm done, let's now get to cooking. In a pan, I added some oil, then I added in my onions. I sauteed the onion for a bit, then added in the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes were nicely cooked, I added in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste just to add flavor. Salt to taste. Once the tomato is nicely cooked, you add in the bananas that we had prepared earlier. Mix everything together nicely until it's well coated with the tomato paste. Add in the carrots, mix everything together, then cover. Let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you add your water. Then you cover again and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then your bananas will be ready to eat. At this point, the bananas were already cooked nicely. Garnish with some coriander leaves. And you're ready to eat your green bananas. I love mine simple. You can serve with beef, beans, or whichever stew you love bananas with. That's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.